hot that was just holding it for that little bit of time. Not getting into the rhythm of that. I need to be and I had to figure out which way I was going. But I do believe I accomplished what I was looking to accomplish. So I just found out I did it on the wrong side somehow. Bent this the wrong way. And now I don't really like how it feels in my hands. It's not as natural as it was before. So I did the bend this way. I wanted to come into the tool, into this other handle. So I guess I'm going to reheat that. That was a mess up. Wondering if I bend this other side in some funky way, I can get it to be comfortable. If it comes like a butterfly kind of and they both go out right here. I think I'm going to try that. I mean, the front end of the tongs, not so bad. They did line up a little bit better before, but there's going to be something in between them. more to just see if some of that uncomfortableness was coming from them, where the joints weren't too tight. Honestly, as much as it was stretching my hand before, this is just, so I gotta get that happy medium back. And this is how they ended up with the handles. I was trying to figure that out and the camera battery died, so I didn't quite get a good video of that. But I'm gonna try to make another smaller set today, I'm thinking, while I'm working on this knife and finishing that up. I mean, I like these. These came out really good.